The data desk, and today I want to discuss on the difference between data analysis and data science. A lot of people have been dropping comments asking this same question, thinking of which part to go into. Now these two fields are related, but they are distinct in their own parts. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
So welcome back. On this, we'll quickly go and start with the topics. Now, what is data analysis? A lot of people have asked this. So data analysis is the process of collecting your data. Yes, before you make any analysis, you need to get that data. Then once you get that data, it will have a lot of inconsistencies. So therefore, you have to clean your data. You have to remove those inconsistencies, and then you transform your data, and sometimes you may model the data, and after that you interpret your data by presenting us with a result, by presenting us with the visuals. After you are done with that, you now share this information to the audience. The patterns you've identified, whatever decision you want us to adopt, you share it with your audience. Now that is simply what you are to do in data analysis. Yes, those are the steps that you carry out in data analysis, and this focuses on examining historical data to find insights and trends, and these insights and trends are what you communicate to support your decision making. The tools we use basically are Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python. Now these tools have alternatives. Yes, for Power BI you have Tableau, SQL there are a lot of compilers that we can use. Python we have R and the rest of them. Excel also you can use Google Sheets and all that. So yes, it's not like these are the whole tools that we use, but then they have alternatives. They do similar job. Now what is data science? Data science is the field that focuses on using data to extract insights, just like data analysis, make predictions. Now you don't do this in data analysis. In data analysis you just present your insights or your findings, but in this you make predictions which supports your decision making, and by this you make use of statistical knowledge, programming, and then the domain knowledge itself. Yes, you make use of this a lot, and this uses advanced algorithms, machine learning to predict future outcomes. The tools we use, like I made mention in data analysis, in data science we use Python. Python is a language. R also is a language. Machine learning tools, then big data tools. The goals differ. The goal of data analysis is simply to understand what happened. From your data you'll be able to see what has happened before, so what happened is what you are finding out. Then for data science you are predicting what will happen. Yes, you are telling us what will happen, not what happened anymore. Those are the goals of data analysis and data science. Now the skills required, the tools we need for data analysis, I've said this: we need Excel, we need SQL, we need visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, and the rest of them. Then for data science, we make use of programming languages, statistical analysis, machine learning tools, and AI tools. The career path. Now, for the data analysis, the career path we have are: you can become a data analyst. You can become a BI analyst. Now, BI stands for business intelligence. You can become a reporting analyst. You can become an operations analyst, product analyst, marketing analyst, financial analyst, risk and compliance analyst. You can become a CRM analyst, decision support analyst, and yes, there's a rise in also HR analyst. However, for the data science career path, you can become a data scientist, you can become a machine learning engineer, applied scientist, AI engineer, research scientist, quantitative analyst. Then you can become an NLP engineer, a computer vision engineer, data science consultant, predictive analytics specialist. Now, an example of all what I've been saying. For the data analyst, you ask questions such as, why did sales drop? Meanwhile, for the data scientist, you ask, what will sales be next month? What will sales be next year? What will it be in the next 3 years? Now, that's an example on that. In conclusion, none of these fields is greater than the other. Both of them are very, very important. Both are equally important. However, data analysis is the bedrock, is the foundation of data science. So if you've watched to this point and you are still having any question on where should I go, what should I do, don't forget to leave a comment under this video and I'll be so glad to respond to you. Thank you very much.